Now I'm gonna zoom in on this part right here and try to show you guys how to properly solder this component. See if I can. All right. So when you solder, you need to make sure you have a nice clean tip. You don't want any oxidation. And what I like to do is I like to add just a little bit of new solder to get a nice little bead on there. And then I will actually touch that between the copper pad and the lead that I want to solder onto. And then I wait for it to heat up. And then I feed in some new solder between the two. And when you're done, just a little more solder. When you're done, you're looking for little, they'll look like little Hershey kisses. And you don't want any cracks and you don't want any bubbles. If you have a little bubble or a crack, it's not a good connection and it will fail someday, or it might not be working currently. Right here, it doesn't matter too much because you're bridging wires everywhere, but when you're working on a PCB, it's really important because you're not going to be doing that and you're not going to get a good connection. So that's all you have to do to make a nice good solder connection.